Hi, welcome to my channel Java Soul. Today we will see three more important interview questions. First one we will look how to reverse string of array, and second one is reverse array of string. It means instead of reversing a string, we will reverse only array. And third one is similar to the second one. Here we will having a array of integer instead of array of string. So let's start. So what we will do in this, we will reverse a string, okay, instead of array. First thing, we need to convert this array into a stream. Okay, so what we are doing here, first we are converting this array to a stream, then we are mapping each elements to string builder, then we are doing the reverse and then getting the string from there. Okay, again we are converting into the array of type string. Now we will iterate over this array. So again the same thing, we will convert this array to stream, then we'll use for each. See, here we are reversing string. As you can see, this hello is got reversed. In Java is also got reversed. And in second program, we are not going to reverse this string. What we are going to do, we will reverse this array. Means Java will come at the 0th index and hello will move to the first index. So let me take one more string. It's input str. Okay. First thing is the similar of above one. First one, we have to convert this array into stream. Arrays.stream. Then we'll pass this array. Okay. Now we need to convert this array into a list. collectors.toList. Then we will reverse this list. And then again we will convert this list to array. Okay, because this array is of type is string, so we have to pass the instance of string type, and also we need to pass the length of this also. We can directly print this if you want to iterate, okay, using IntStream. Just follow the same thing that we did here. One more thing is just convert this arrays to string. Now let's run it. We need to print this in next line, so I'm using /n. This reversed array of type string. Okay, see here. The order of string in this array was like hello, then Java. And what we are printing here, first Java, it got reversed, huh? First Java, then hello is coming. Now we'll see the third program. If you get any of these question in interview, they won't ask you the everything. They will ask you only the single questions. So I'm taking integer type of array here, int array, 5, 7, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. So we need to use IntStream here dot range function. So we will pass from 0 till length of this array. Okay. Then we'll call a map. Int array dot length -1 minus I. Okay. So if you will calculate the index to get the element, so as you can see here, int array dot length, it will returns 4. We are doing -1 means 3. Okay, and minus I, initially it's 0, so it will pick these elements. Okay, it will get increased, so again we'll pick second, then 7, and then 5. Okay, here we'll call to array. So as you can see here, it's returning the int type of array. Reverse int array. If you want to iterate, do it like this. If you want to just print, we can do similar like we did on 26th of line. Reversed array of type int. Arrays dot to string will pass this array. Let's run it. See, it got reversed. Oh God. We had an array 5721. Here you can see the first 1275. Okay, all three outputs are here. In first one, we are just reversing a string. Okay, instead of array. In second one, we are doing reverse of array, and this uh, probably they will ask you these kind of questions. Huh? And third one is with integer. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button as well. Thank you.